Welcome to the UA5200 training. In this training, we will go through the layout of the UA5200, go over call handling, which includes placing internal and external calls, putting calls on hold, transferring, and conferencing. We will also discuss personal options for your UA5200, go over call forwarding, and instant messaging. We will start by looking at the client window. First up is availability. This shows whether someone is on the phone, if their phone is ringing, or if they're available to take calls. To dial a number, click on the Call Control tab and type in the number here. To answer an incoming call, click the Answer icon. To place a call on hold, click the Hold icon. You have 4 different ways to transfer a phone call in this client. One is a blind transfer, a screen transfer, an announced call, or a transfer to voicemail. To hang up a call, click the Cancel icon. To do a 3-way conference, click the Conference icon. To park a call, click the Park icon. To unpark a call, right-click on the parked call and click Retrieve. To forward a call, click Line and select Forward. To set Do Not Disturb, click Line and select Do Not Disturb. To check your call history, click on the Call History tab. To see instant messages, click on the Instant Message tab. Click on the Directory tab to see your company directory. The toolbar allows you to change options and preferences for your client. To add a tab to your screen, as I'm going to do with Call Control, click View and select Call Control. Click and drag the Call Control box to lock it somewhere on your screen. To place an internal or external call, click on the Call Control tab. Type in an extension or number in the box and press Enter on your keyboard to dial. An active call is shown here. To answer an incoming call, click the Answer icon. To end a call, click Cancel. To place a call on hold, click the Hold icon. To retrieve a held call, click Unhold. To redial a person, click on the Call History tab. Double-click a line to call back, or highlight a line and press Enter. To park a call, while on a call, press Park. Type in the recipient and extension, and then click OK. To retrieve a parked call, right-click on the parked call and select Retrieve. Click Answer to initiate the call. To blind transfer a call, while on a call, click on the Call Control box and type in the number that you would like to transfer to, and click the Blind Transfer icon. To do a consult transfer is very similar to doing a blind transfer. While on a call, type in the number you would like to transfer to, located in the Call Control box, except this time you click Screen Transfer. Wait for an answer and announce the call, then click Release to complete the transfer. To transfer a call to voicemail, while on a call, type in the number you would like to transfer to, located in the Call Control box, and click Transfer to Voicemail. The last type of transfer is an intercom announced call. While on a call, type in the number you would like to transfer to, located in the Call Control box, and click Announce Call. The phone will beep and you can announce the call. Click Release to complete the transfer. To conference a third party in, click on the Call Control tab and type in a number that you would like to add to the call. Select Screen Transfer and click Conference to join the parties. To forward calls, click Line and select Forward. Type in your extension and click OK. Choose which calls you would like to forward and type in the destination that you would like to forward to. And click OK. To intercom someone, type in an extension. Press Announce Call, and the phone will beep and you are connected through intercom. To set up a Do Not Disturb, click Line and select Do Not Disturb. Type in your extension and click OK. Select Do Not Disturb and click OK. To cancel Do Not Disturb, click Line and select Do Not Disturb. Type in your extension and click OK. Deselect Do Not Disturb and click OK. To send an instant message, choose a contact. Double-click on their instant message bubble. An instant message tab will open up. Type in a message and click Send. As I stated earlier, availability is shown if there is a phone icon next to a person's name, it means that they are on the phone. If there is green next to a person's name, it means their phone is ringing. If there is nothing next to their name, it means that they are available. If you click Options, you can change the screen layout, a custom layout default, or lock the screen. You can change your font, you can change the color scheme, you can change the language, and you can change your password. You can also change your preferences. To get to Preferences, click Options and select Preferences. Within Preferences, you can change call notifications to have a pop-up or have your window flash. Congratulations! You have finished the UA5200 training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.